Hello there, my name is Mark Hanover and I'm with Keller Williams Peace River Partners in Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda. Today we are showing you 8104 Bosco in Port Charlotte, Florida. This house is $329,000 at the time of shooting, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 3-car garage. I just want to give you guys a quick view of this, so let's go on in. Very nice tall doors, along with a beautiful great room that you come in with tray ceilings. It is a split floor plan. So immediately to the left we have 2 bedrooms as well as the guest bath. Every bedroom, by the way, has remote control fans in them. All of the bathrooms, both of the bathrooms, have granite countertops that do match the kitchen. Then heading to the back of the house, we'll see the 3rd and largest of the non-master bedrooms. There is lanai just off of the back of the house, again with remote control fans. And then we have this beautiful kitchen, completely modern stainless steel appliances. Again, gorgeous granite. There is a pantry over in the corner. Just off of the kitchen, that is the door to the garage. And this is the laundry hookup here. Again, granite. Just off of the kitchen, there is a coat closet. And then we come into the master. Beautifully done master. Beautiful rainfall shower head, walk-in closet, as well as another closet over to the side for linens. So if you'd like to come and see this house, please call 941-202-1995. Again, that is 941-202-1995. My name is Mark Hanover. If you'd like to email markhanover@kw.com, that'd be great too. Or you can visit me at markswfl.com as well. Thank you very much, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day.